Well, have you ever felt a familiar knot of the frustration? Like you are staring at your screen, you are stuck on the something, and a stubborn problem, or it can be a confusing task, or maybe just something that feels like it's taking forever. And you wish you could just talk to your computer and have it understand, right? Well, get ready because the future is absolutely here. What if tell you we have an intelligent AI assistant that not only hears your voice but actually sees everything on your screen in the real time? Imagine speaking your problem out loud and instantly getting a clear explanation and even a direct solution, or even having it to do the task for you. Well, in this today's video, I'm exactly going to show you how the Microsoft Copilot's incredible voice and screen sharing AI is transforming the way people are interacting with their computers. Like, literally, this isn't just a chatbot. It's like having a brilliant, always available helper sitting right beside you, and you are ready to tackle any problem you throw at your screen. And well, I'll explain you each and every step in this video. I know ChatGPT is also there, but just keep this thing in mind. ChatGPT doesn't have the screen sharing option. Okay, you have to copy paste each and everything manually. We'll discuss it about that further, but at very first, let me show you how to install it.
So at very first, let's see how you can download this AI assistant called Microsoft Copilot in your operating system. So if you're using Windows, just go to Microsoft Store, okay? And you can directly download it from here. This is the search bar. Just type here Copilot and here you go. This is the app. Just make sure that you download it. As I have downloaded it already, so I'll open it and show you how the interface actually look like. As you can see, I have even pinned that in my taskbar. Okay, so just after opening it will look like this. Okay, so yes, let me just delete this stuff. And yeah, this is the actual interface. It's exactly same like the chat gpt. Okay, like you can ask him anything like hey there, and it'll just give response like the chat gpt only. But the main feature of this ai tool which can make our workflow easier is this. Okay, screen share with copilot. Like yeah, exactly, share screen with the copilot. This is the most awesome and easily accessible feature for us, and now I'll exactly show you how you can make your workflow easier too. And even this option is plenty of helpful for us. Like if you're a guy like me who is very much lazy to explain the things in the written format, then you can go for this. So let's give it a try.
Hey, Atharva. Burning the midnight oil, huh? What's got your gears turning tonight?
Nothing much, I'm just creating a video on you explaining how you are making my workflow easier day by day.
That's awesome. I'm all for boosting productivity and creativity. What's the main highlight of the video?
Well, let me create the video first and tell it to my audience, and we'll have a talk later. Is it fine?
Sounds like a plan, Atharva. Enjoy making that video. I'm
Th-
here whenever.
Thanks.
You're welcome, Atharva. Catch you later.
So as you can see, like he is exactly having a good conversation with me, just like my personal assistant, right? So this is the actual advantage of this AI tool, and it's even more better than ChatGPT. Like I'll explain you now. Okay, so as I am a student, and even though I am pursuing a lot of courses online, okay, like we have to keep learning each and every day new things, right? So imagine if you are learning a new thing, like let's take example of this. Okay, this is the cluster architecture of Kubernetes, and I have just found it randomly, and I am unable to identify or get this diagram. Okay, so as I don't have anyone currently here who can explain me about Kubernetes, or else I have to just message or text the person who knows it, and it can take plenty of time. Like then he'll see, then he'll message, then he'll reply. And even though there is not any guarantee that I'll get the things right, so here this AI plays a vital role. So what you have to do is just you have to open your this stuff again, this Microsoft Copilot again, and click on this option, share screen, okay? And as I have to share this type of screen, so I'll just
Hey again,
select it.
Atharva. What's cooking?
So I want you to explain me this diagram of the cluster. I'm unable to get it. So your work is to explain me in the simplest way possible and just wind it up in less than 1 minute.
Sure thing, Atharva. This diagram shows a Kubernetes cluster. Think of it like this. You've got the control plane, which is the brain, managing everything. It keeps track of what's running and where, and decides what to do if something goes wrong. Then you've got nodes, the worker bees, running your applications. The control plane assigns tasks to the nodes, and they execute them. Basically, the control plane keeps everything in check, while the nodes do the heavy lifting. Got it?
Yes, thanks a lot for making my understanding more clear and easier. Thanks a lot for this.
I'm glad I could help, Atharva. Simplifying tech stuff is my jam. Anything else you want to dive into?
I'll inform you up, okay? Thanks for that.
Got it, Atharva. Whenever you're ready, I'm here. Take care.
So as you can see, like with how much accuracy and precision he has explained me the exact stuff in more easier way. Like you don't even need a teacher in real to explain this, or the person who knows each and everything, right? Nowadays these AI agents are each and everything for us. They are our mentors, they are our experts of various softwares. And even though if you have any approach, you can tell him up without any frustration or without anything, and he will correct it automatically without even saying a single word. So as you can see, this is literally a mind-blowing feature of this AI tool. Like anything you can ask him, he'll explain you in deeper, easier way and unlimited times. Okay, so this was the very first use of it, and literally this is the best feature which I loved it and thought of sharing it with you. And just you have to make sure that this a feature takes a very minimal space on your screen. So even though if you have a double screen setup, I'll highly recommend you to just use this AI feature and keep it on in background. And even though whenever you are bored or you want to talk something, you can talk with it on this topic, on the work which you are doing, and this AI will help you up. And again, the second thing I'll show you, I am also pursuing some coding courses, right? So as I'm pursuing the coding courses, so the mentors aren't available 24 into 7. So what if I'm solving a coding question late night and I have a doubt, right? So if I have a doubt, I have to wait till morning to message my mentor, and then he'll reply, and there is no any guarantee that he'll solve that question. But after this feature, it has made a literally a cakewalk for me. Okay, so as you can see, this is my coding question, and now I'll tell him to explain me this coding question in the simplest way possible. Okay, so now let me again just close this and switch the exact screen. And yes, this is my exact screen. I'll again start it.
Hey again, Atharva. What's new?
So I want you to explain me this coding question in very few lines. Just explain me.
This task is about validating a password. You need to write a program that checks if the length of a given string is more than 7 characters. If it is, the program should return true, meaning it's a valid password. Otherwise, it returns false. It's a simple check to ensure the password isn't too short. Got it?
Yeah, thanks a lot.
You're welcome, Atharva.
So as you can see, he has explained me, okay? And even though my code is ready, now let me do a minor mistake in this code and let's see if he is able to figure this out. Okay, now imagine this, I have solved the code, I have cracked the code, but I have did a minor mistake and I am unable to understand it. Okay, like I am unable to find it. So what I'll do is I'll ask this AI again.
So,
Can you please tell me what is the error I made in this code? Like, just explain me or tell me the line number in which you think I have made the error. Simple. Keep it simple as crisp.
sure thing. The error is in line 3. You've got length int length, which isn't needed. Instead, change length int to length greater than 7 to to check if the password length is greater than 7 characters.
Okay, so basically you can see he has identified the mistake. Okay, so the mistake was here, it shall be greater than 7, right? So finally he has crossed this test too. So in this way you can use this AI to just upgrade your workflow and make it easiest way possible. Okay, I hope so this was even more helpful for you. And the main thing, let me tell you, this AI can have a good conversation with you. So even though if you are bored or you want to discuss anything about work, you can highly go with this AI. Just make him play in the background. Okay, just on it in the background and do your work. And any problem you're facing on the screen, you don't have to call for that person who will solve your problem. Instead of that, this AI tool will solve your problem in just few seconds, and it will also explain you in the easiest way possible. Even though you can ask him for the perfect approach, you can explain him, you can talk with him, and he will not get frustrated a lot. So I hope that this video was helpful for you, and I'm damn sure that this video will make your workflow even more easier and have solved many of the problems which you were facing. So till that time, we'll meet in the next video with another perfect AI tools aligned with your stuff. Till that time, bye bye.